As anyone from the Northeast knows, it's been a pretty brutal winter this year. We had a lot of snow and ice, and this is the automatic pool cover with the stones lifted off. You could see I had some damage here to this slider or glider, or whatever it's called, and I'm going to go about replacing it. I got the new one right here. It's not like ridiculously easy, but I don't think it's going to be too hard. I had to remove the stones because I have to get this to travel out of the track so I could put the new one back in the track. So these attachments will have to be removed, and I'm just going to do it on both sides, even though this is the side that cracked. You can kind of see it over there. It's definitely sitting unevenly. If you compare it to the other side, you know, that's sitting nice and evenly in the track. So that's the plan. We'll see how it goes. Okay. Okay, we just lost a piece. It fell down. That's the other half of that. So I'll grab that later. That's the screw. There's a bolt on the other side. Probably should have put something there. Okay, so I put a vice grip on the other side of this. And you can see
is this something that you need?
it came out. Okay, so then this piece is out. That's like an end cap. Okay, so that's loose. Take those screws out. Okay. All right, so I got this one disconnected. I'm gonna have to disconnect this bolt here, this one, and that'll allow me to take the metal piece off the swim bar, or whatever bar it's called. And same thing here. I took everything apart on that side. On this side, I didn't allow the bottom piece to drop, having learned. So this and this, these two pieces fell down, and I'll have to find them later. Oh, look at the cute bug in there. Very cool. Okay. Okay, so now I'm just unscrewing this bolt. As you can see, I've already got the other stuff. Once I do that, I'll be able to pull everything back and get this glider out. So I just backed this thing up enough, and sorry I didn't get it on video. I was able to just pull this right off, and I'll replace it with the new one. So the way you do this is there's a little slot. You have to, I can't shoot with, I need two hands to do this, but basically you push this over, slide it in, and then we can bolt it back. All right, this is the old one. This is the new one.
Oh, you put that already? Oh, that hurt.
There's the top and the bottom. I think I got it right. And it goes here when it's done. So, yeah, opening is actually not that hard. It's the closing that's the hard part. But no, this is more of a service that I'm doing. But this is a pain in the ass.
Oh, the cover?
Yeah, this thing broke, so. But yeah, all that snow and ice this year is really a problem. I should be able to get it. Okay, got that. And then that back in here.
Right?
And then this. Okay, but I did lose a piece in here, which I now have to figure out how. All right, but we're good. Okay, so that was one thing at a time. Okay, here's the broken one coming off. There you go. Cracked. Bad condition, obviously. So that's what happens when too much snow and ice destroys your glider. Well, we'll get the new one on and we'll be perfect. Okay, now this thing's nice and tight. So now we just have to, this has been replaced. Get this this thing on here. Shouldn't be too hard. Let's see. Sorry, it has to go underneath the. Oh, you know what? This is the way it goes. Okay. that's how it goes. This part has a captive bolt. I gotta hold this upside down underneath here and then drive this through here. The screwdriver. Good. And then this, I need the vice grip to hold it underneath or some sort of grip. Let me do that. All right, now we're trying to get this part in. All right, I got it started. Okay, it's probably tight enough. I don't know, let's double check. Make sure that's as tight as I need it to be. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's nice and tight. Okay, so that side's done. Now I just gotta work on the other side.